I'm your Excel Guru and welcome to the very first video of Excelonomics. If you have ever opened Excel and felt overwhelmed, don't worry, you are not alone. Today, we'll start with the basics, understanding the Excel interface and learning some essential functions to get you started. First, let's get familiar with the Excel interface. We can go to Start button and search for Excel, or we can pin it on our home screen toolbar. So let's open an Excel. This is the Excel sheet opening page. First, we'll start with the blank workbook. So this is the Excel interface. At the top, we have tabs like Home, Insert, Page Layout, and so on. Each tab contains related commands. There is one quick access toolbar where you can save, undo, redo, or we can add here new, open, email, and everything, whichever you like. Then this is the workbook area in which we will perform our task. This is the main grid of cells where you enter your data. Columns are labeled as letters A, B, C, D, and rows are numbered. Each intersection of a row and column is called a cell, and every cell have a unique address. Similar like here, it is C2 cell number. This is F4, and if you would like, you can also rename the cell like A, B, C. So whenever you go to F4, it will show you the name of A, B, C. Then there's a status bar at the below where we can zoom in and zoom out. And this is the formula bar. Here we can type any formula and get the result, or we can type on the Excel sheet and get the result. So let me introduce you with some basic functions in Excel. Now that you already know the interface, let's try some basic functions. Um, let's say I have customer. Let's say I have a company and it has various products. We will list down products A, B, C, D, E, and F. Product sales. Let's assume product A is sold 1,000 units, then 300, then 500, 200, 700, and 100. So if we want to calculate total sales of all the products, we can write sum function here is equals to sum bracket open. You will select all the cells, bracket close, and enter. Here we get the result of sum, or you can go to the home screen ribbon and here it is submission function. So either we can keep the cursor on the cell sum and it will automatically give us the number. Let's say we'll write here sum and it will sum all the above together. Similarly, we can do average. We can write average here and select all the cells, enter, or we can go to submission sign, average, select our data, and this is the average. If you want to check the minimum amount, it's equals to minimum units, enter, and then maximum, is equals to max, and you can get the data. So whatever function you would like to perform on Excel, you can just write with is equals to and then the formula, or we can write here as well on the formula bar. This was easy, right? Let's make a little complicated calculation. Let's say the company is performing good or not. This is a condition we are asking. We will format this by comma. So if the average sales of a company is greater than 500, then we will say the company is performing better, else the company is not performing good. So to check the condition, we'll apply if formula is equals to if bracket open logic average sales is greater than equal to 500, then we are saying the company is performing good, yes, comma, else, no, and bracket close. So the company is not performing better. See, let's say if we do sales here 500 and this is greater than 500, then it automatically comes to yes. There are also some few shortcuts with which we will study in the next class. Um, that's it for today. We've covered some basics of the Excel interface and tried some simple functions. In the next video, we'll dive deeper into Excel formulas and formatting techniques to make your workbook look more professional. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for notifications. And let me know in the comments what topics you'd like to learn about next. Thank you for watching.